This intro is for anyone who saw our last river rafting video where we messed up our inflatables a little bit. We're starting the next one now. We're on Dartmoor today. We're gonna go river rafting and maybe cliff jumping and stuff as well, if there's any on the river. But we gotta fix our stuff up first.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Melting wax.
Melting surf wax, yeah.
Onto my puncher, and then it will dry, and be fine.
See how it goes. See you in the water. Oh no! Not already. Alright, that's over. We've made it 20 foot, maybe. Now I've got to get in here. It's been about 5 minutes and we're on the edge of the river, already deflating, however you say it.
That one. The wax didn't work. For all of you that want to try it, though.
Did it come off?
Yeah.
Reinflated, back in the water. So cold. We stopped at a beach here though that we found to re-inflate again and found a cliff. Boom, small one. Just started raining and we're on our way out. We made it.
Right. We've got to try and find the car now.
Yeah, we've got to try and find the car, but we made it like probably 10 minutes walk downstream and it took about 3 hours. So
mainly because we got stuck on every single rock.
Every single rock, and there's a lot of rocks, look.
Alright.
So
fun day.
Yeah, we're out of here. That was our next river rafting video. Next time we're going to get kayaks. We're going to get real kayaks, we promise. Because we want them as well now. Alright, so that was our river rafting video, part 2 on Dartmoor. See you in the next one.